finish button. And here we have this window. Welcome to Android Studio. Android Studio version 3.4.2 I have. Okay, so here we have some options. Start a new Android Studio project, open an existing Android Studio project, and other options. Okay, so let's create one Android Studio project. So let me click on this, start a new Android Studio project, this link. And here we have this window, choose your project. Here we have some options, phone and tablet, Wear OS, TV, Android Auto, Android Things. But I'm selecting this phone and tablet. Okay, so let me select this empty activity and then click on this next button. Okay, and here we have this window, configure your project. Okay, so here we have this name. You can give the name of your project. So I'm leaving this as default, my application. And here we have this package name. I'm leaving this as default. And here we have the save location. I'm also leaving this as default. If you want to change this, you can click on this link. Okay, and you can change the location. But I'm leaving this as default. Okay, and here we have this language. So I'm selecting this Java language. Okay, and here we have this minimum API level. Okay, so API 15 is the default. You can see your app will run on approximately 100% of devices. Okay, so if you want to change this, you can click on this drop down box and you can select that. Okay, so suppose if I select this Android 5.0 Lollipop, you can see your app will run on approximately 85% of devices. Okay, but I'm selecting this, API 19 Android 4.4 KitKat. Your app will run on approximately 95.3% of devices. Okay, so this is fine. And if I scroll down, here we have this option. This project will support instant apps. I'm not selecting this. Okay, and after that, click on this finish button. Okay, so we have this Android Studio opening. You can see loading project. Let me maximize this. Okay guys, so you can see here we have this project, my application. Okay, you can see it still syncing, so just wait for this. You can see two processes running. Okay, so just wait. And here we have some information, what's new in 3.4. You can take a look at these options. Okay, so you can see two processes running, so we need to wait for this. And here we have this window. Yes, click on this allow access. And you can see guys, here we have this message, synced successfully. So it took around 10 minutes and 16 seconds in my case. Okay, and here we have the project files, and here we have this main activity.java, this file, and here we have this activity underscore main.xml file. Okay, let me minimize this. Okay, you can see. So in order to run this, you have to click on this run button. So if I click on this run button, you can see it's initializing ADB. So we need to wait for this. And you can see guys, here we have this connected devices. We don't have any connected devices. Okay, so just click on this create new virtual device, this button. And here we have this window opened. Select hardware. Under category, just select this phone. Okay, and let me select one phone. So let me select this Nexus 5X and then click on this next button. Okay, let me download this Nougat API level 24. Okay, so let me click on this download this link. Okay, and here we have the license agreement. Let me click on this I accept this option. Okay, and then click on this next button, and you can see it's downloading. So I need to wait. Okay, And you can see guys, it's now done. Let me click on this finish button. Okay, and you can see it's now installed. Okay, so let me click on it to select it. Okay, and after that click on this next button. Okay guys, and I'm leaving this as default, and after that click on this finish button. So you can see that here we have this creating Android virtual device, so we need to wait for this. Okay, so here we have this available virtual devices, Nexus 5X API level 24. Okay, so just click on this OK button. Okay, so here we have this instant run. Instant run requires that the platform corresponding to your target device, Android 7.0 Nougat, is installed. Okay, so just click on this install and continue. So it's installing, so just wait for this. Okay, so it's now done. Click on this finish button, and you can see here we have this build running. And you can see guys, here we have this message, Gradle build finished in 5 minutes 41 seconds. So if I open my virtual device, you can see that I have this application running, and you can see here we have this output, hello world. Okay, so guys, that's it. In this way you can easily install Android Studio on Windows 10. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.